Hello students, Political Science by Dr. Varun Chand is most welcome to all the RS aspirant students. Myself Dr. Maru, Assistant Professor. Dear student, in this particular video, we are discuss about the RS pre syllabus for the concern of political science subject analysis for the English medium students. Clear? So let's start it. First of all, we are discuss about the what is the main syllabus of RS pre. RS pre of the polity. The RS pre syllabus of the political science or polity is called to Indian political system and Constitution of India and state polity. This syllabus basically divided in three parts: political system of India, number one, number two, Indian Constitution, and number third is state polity. So these three main parts of the RS pre exam political science polity syllabus. We have discussed about the one by one these particular topics. Clear? We have discussed about this particular topic one by one. Clear, student? So these are the main topics for RS pre exam. These are the main topics of RS pre exam for the political science topic. Clear? So now we discuss about this particular point. First of all, we have discussed about the Indian Constitution. Clear? In this particular topic, we have discussed about in this particular unit, we have discussed about the development of the Indian Constitution. Development of Indian Constitution. Point number one. Number two, what is the main features of Indian Constitution? In this particular topic, we have discussed about the Regulating Act, its Charter Act, 1909 Act, 1919 Act, 1919 Act, Montesquieu-Chelmsford Act, Marley-Minto Act, and 1935 Indian Government Act, and 1947 Indian Freedom Act, etc. In this particular topic, in the feature, we have discussed about the main feature of Indian Constitution. And then we have discussed about the main aspect, main keywords, key points, main chapters of Indian Constitution. For example, fundamental rights, duties. Third, directive principles, and constitutional amendment in the Indian Constitution. Fundamental rights, duties, directive principles, DPs, FR, fundamental rights, duties, and amendment. Recently amendment. This part basically connected to the current affairs also, current GK also. So we discuss about this particular topic on the monthly magazine, especially on news channels also. You are focused on this particular topic on the news channels also. Clear? On the media. And beside these particular topics, we have discussed about the Indian government. For example, executive. Second is legislature. Third is judiciary system. In executive, we have discussed about the union executive and state executive. In the other side, in legislative, we have discussed about the union legislative and state legislative. And third, we have discussed about the union court, and second is state court or high court. Clear? Union executive, we have discussed about the President of India, Prime Minister of India, clear, and his cabinet. And the other side, state executive, we have discussed about the governor plus chief minister and his cabinet. In the legislative, union legislative or central legislative, we have discussed about the assembly. No assembly, no, Parliament of India. Parliament of India. Clear? It is the union legislative. Parliament of India is called the union legislative. Clear? And in the state, we have discussed about the assembly. In the state, we have discussed about the assembly. And the other side, in the judicial system, union judicial system, we have discussed about the Supreme Court of India. Supreme Court of India. And the other side, in the state, we have discussed about the High Court. High Court of Rajasthan, especially. Clear? And the other side, we have discussed about the schedules. 12 schedules. Main chapter of Indian constitutions. Languages, main languages, official languages of Indian constitution. Clear? Schedules, chapters and official language of Indian constitution. And the other side, we have discussed about the state polity also in this particular topic. State polity, Rajasthan state polity is special because it is RS exam, so it is connected to the Rajasthan GK. So in this concern, we have discussed about the Rajasthan Assembly, structure of Rajasthan Assembly, and history of Rajasthan Assembly also. Clear? And current affairs also, Rajasthan Assembly. Clear? Second is Chief Minister of Rajasthan, Governor of Rajasthan, Rajasthan High Court also, work, branches, history also. Clear? As well as Panchayat Raj system. Panchayat Raj system in India and Rajasthan. In India, especially focus on the Rajasthan. Clear? It is the second point. As well as we discuss about the RS pre-polity syllabus, different commissions. Commissions. For example, Central Vigilance Commission, Central Vigilance Commission, National Human Rights Commission, National Women Commission, National Election Commission, Central Information Commission, etc. Clear? These are the important. And Lokpal. Lokpal connected with the central level. Clear? Lokpal. And the other side, in the state level commissions, we have discussed about the State Women Commission, State Human Rights Commission, State Election Commission, State Information Commission, State Finance Commission. And the other side, in the central government, we have discussed about the very important topic, Niti Aayog. Before the Niti Aayog is called to Planning Commission, and now we discuss about Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog, important, very important. Niti Aayog, clear? So these are the commissions, and then we have discussed about the public policy topic. Public policy topic, citizen charter, legal aspects, some legal aspects, civil society, good governance, clear? So these are the outline of RSP, political science or polity or political system or Indian constitution syllabus. Clear? Now we discuss about the main books, important books for the RSP political science topics. First of all, we read the NCERT of class 11th and 12th political science. It is a base of the political science, base of the polity. And then you discuss a study about the State Board Secondary Education or Rajasthan Board Secondary Education RBSC, Ajmer books, class 11th and 12th. Although 9 and 10 also political science. In SS, it is a part of SST. Clear? And then we discuss about we all know that M. Lakshmikant book. M. Lakshmikant book for the polity. but in Lakshmikant book we only focus on the main topics. Clear? And M. Lakshmikant books. For the Rajasthan state polity, we have discussed about the Rajasthan Granth Akademi books. Rajasthan Granth Academy books. Janardhar Singh. Writer name is Janardhar Singh. Clear? And plus for the current affairs, you read the Mumal magazine for RS polity exam, current affairs. Plus Drishti magazine, Drishti IS magazine for current affairs. Clear? In this particular syllabus also some point connected to the Indian politics. It is called to applied politics portion. It is called to applied politics portion. It is called to applied politics portion. For example, coalition government in India. Coalition government in India. Clear? Caste politics in India. Public policy in India. Clear? So it is connected to the Indian politics. Indian politics. In political problem in India, caste politics, criminal in politics. Clear? Reforms in the elections. Reforms in the elections. Clear? So these are the main topics in main books for the RS pre political science topic. Okay, student. And the RS mains topics are different for the political science and international relations, because in the mains some topics are connected to the international relations also. We have discussed about the RS mains political science topic our another video. In this particular video we have discussed about the RS pre political science syllabus, polity syllabus. Okay, student, please like and share this particular my video, and please given to my motivation, some motivation, inspiration for making for some new videos for particular concern, and please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you, goodbye.